What does 4.5 million get you here in McLean, Virginia? Well, you're in for a treat today because I'm going to show you the newest custom build from MR Custom Homes, and it is gorgeous. Let's go take a look. I'm going to try to zoom you out today because last video, our last home tour, was a little bit too up close. But I just toured this new build with a client, and it was something I knew you'd want to see. The finishes are incredible. The appliances are top notch. And this just over 8,000 square foot house is one you do not want to miss. So let's see if we can zoom out just a bit. Ah, you're back at me. Okay, here we go. So gorgeous entrance here. And what I want you to notice is just all of the attention to detail. You've got hardwood floors throughout the home. This formal dining here on our right. And I love these little pockets in between. It actually kind of reminds me a little bit of pieces in my personal home, simply because it's all of these squared borders, which I know we're seeing so many arches these days, but how incredible is the symmetry in this home? So this has pocket doors that I could pull out. This is your office. This could be formal living. You have so much potential here because of the space. So you've got, I'm going to call it the office. Again, we're coming back through the dining room. From your formal dining, the windows are allowing in incredible light. You've got 10-foot ceilings here on this first floor. And then coming through the Butler's pantry. So you've got this Butler space. And then even here, you've got this added hallway. There's a wine cellar here, powder bath at the end. I'll give you a peek in a bit. But what I want you to see is also this primary level bedroom. So this they have set up as a play area, but it is a bonus room. This is a legal bedroom. It has an ensuite bath, 2 closets here. And look at the details that the builder chose. So it's not just any build. You've got the walk-in shower. Tiles go all the way up to the ceiling. So if you had to have multi-generational in this home, this bedroom would be easy for anyone aging in the home to live in. Simply walk into the shower and you're right here off the kitchen. So great walk-in pantry. And then here is what we know to be the center of the home. So open floor space here. You've got your breakfast nook. It kind of jets out, which is really nice so it doesn't block the flow from the kitchen into the living room. Pay attention to the ceiling. Even details all the way up to the ceiling. Loads of counter space, bar stools here, and 2 dishwashers in this home as well. Good big dining space. And then one of the things that I absolutely love in many homes in Virginia are these screened in porches. Let's see if I can get you open. So here you have the screened in porch, TV already set up, gas fireplace. So you can be out here all year round. And you have also the outdoor patio so you can grill. Chose my favorite hydrangeas. And then this lot itself allows for a bunch of privacy, which is great. You're not staring into a neighbor's home. Okay, coming back around. Again, peeking at the grand entrance. I love the symmetry here. You have the staircases on our right, which will go up in just a second, but I did want to give you a peek inside the powder bath. Again, simply because this builder, they don't miss a single detail in the home. Very thoughtful, great style, and it's not something you're going to see in every single house. Here on my left, this is the shaft. They built it out so you could have an elevator as well if you needed it. All right, let's go upstairs and take a peek. Huge landing way here. Okay, so at the top of the stairs, you have your primary on the left, laundry room here on the right, a little linen closet, and then this is one of the secondary bedrooms. So there's 3 secondary bedrooms here, and each secondary bedroom has its own ensuite bath as well. So this is the first one, walk-in closet, but I do want to show you the details in the bathroom. You've got this gorgeous tile on the floor, and then even in the shower, all the way floor to ceiling tile. I'm actually going to save the primary for you for the end of the bedroom tour. Little teaser, but we're coming around. So again, this would be a huge linen closet or a place that an elevator could go. All right, then over here we have 2 additional secondary bedrooms. These ones are a little bit smaller. They're longer here. I'll come in the corner so you can see. And then same thing, you've got a walk-in closet plus an ensuite bathroom. And this one here kind of combined both tiles here into this bathroom. All right, let's check out the final secondary bedroom on this floor. This one's on the front of the house. 2 closets. And then again, look at the detail. I mean, how incredible. They have the tile on the outline here of the shower. And then they did this one, again, giving you a little bit of light. The grout is blue. They have a little bit of the tile running throughout the shower, but it's a bit different than the other 2 that we just saw. But the cohesion is really incredible and something you don't see in many other builds. So that can be the really unique and special thing about going with a custom builder, is to be able to have those little details picked out. They obviously come at a cost, but no detail was spared here. Okay, so now we're entering the primary suite, and suite may not even be enough for how grand this room is. So you've got your bed in here, dresser, obviously a little bit of seated space as well. But get ready for this. We are walking back into this hall. You have 2 incredible walk-in closets as you enter into the primary bathroom. Plenty of storage. You've got a great size shower. They didn't do this shower room, but you have this huge tub out looking over the backyard. And then you have this beautiful shower. Again, it's not massive, but they were really thoughtful of the different water features, the bench, and everything that belongs in here. Plus, there's a little bit of a hidden room. Of course, we love a privacy toilet. But this is a little added bonus space here at the end of the primary. So if there's 2 working spouses, then one of you could be in here. One of you could be on the main level. You wouldn't have to hear each other and you wouldn't have to fight over space. So this is absolutely a primary wing of the house. which completes the top level. And then there is more with this gorgeous basement. So we're gonna head down. Again, you've got your little wine cellar in that hallway. And then we're gonna just turn one more time to head down to the basement. Still getting some natural light coming in through the window. And here, this is where the garage entrance is. So what is unique about this home is you have this walkway for both of the garages. So it's a 3-car garage. So straight ahead you have one, and if we went to the right by the mudroom space, there is the second. And then this level also has, this is the 6-bedroom here. So you have the 6-bedroom, you have your egress window, and a full shower. Just a little step in. Again, if you need an au pair, a nanny, or simply parents that maybe come to share the home as well, you have extra space for everyone. Coming out, full built-out living space. Gas fireplace, plenty of room for entertainment, more beverage fridge, bar stools, and then a half bath there, which is great so that any guest or entertaining that you're doing, you don't have to take them into the bathroom that shares with the bedroom. And then once again, we're seeing this come up over and over. These new homes are the gyms already pre-built out. This particular home has a walk-up basement, so it has its own exterior entrance. You have one extra room for storage as well. And then again, you'll see the space for the elevator if you need it, and this super thoughtful mudroom. So there's one entrance to the garage, and that is the second for the garage as well. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's home tour, what 4.5 million gets you in McLean, Virginia. If you are interested in a custom home or buying when you do not live in Northern Virginia and you are relocating here, make sure that you reach out and send me a message. I'm happy to do tours like this for you anytime. I'm on every single platform possible, so make sure you follow along. You can email me, Cassie@thecareycollective.com. You can text me, 513-284-5396. Any way that you want to reach me, I'm on Instagram. I am here to make your move so much easier.